Hello everyone, this is Mansi Yadav, currently pursuing MBA at NMIMS Navi Mumbai. I did my WeCare internship at Sakshi NGO. For my particular internship, I worked under their two significant projects. One of them is Mahila Helpline Number program, and the another one is Parivartan, the education initiative. So the motive of the school visits was to break the absenteeism rate that was there. Overall, the impact of the two campaigns was to promote women's safety, empowerment, and improving the health of the child. From working as beggars to earn a livelihood and contribute to the family, to now learning how to make a paperback and then selling it to people from, let's see the example of with employees who are coming for the CSR initiative. These children were shackled in the poverty, but now were empowered. They had a purpose in life. They know from the aspiration workshop that we conducted what they want to become and how they want to get out of this life and lead a good life for their family as well as themselves. The whole impact had the women empowered with making a few paperbacks that I taught them about, and these children as well, which we were able to sell to the communities that were there.